Guys, I can't believe somebody gave up their crown and gave it to Red. Let's see what's happening over here. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's see who top fans are. Let's see. It's time to reveal the truth. And the truth is, number one, we have Red's Room. Number one. In second place, we have Season. In second place. In third place, we have Miss TikTok Girl. Miss TikTok Girl with a mix up lab. And in fourth place, we have Marie. Fifth place, Fluffy Diva. Sixth place, Simone TV. In seventh place, we have Peace R WMT. In eighth place, we have Pixia Spencer. In ninth place, we have Joshua Brown. Joseph. In 10th place, we have Irish Jimmy. In 11th place, we have fabulous enough. 12th place, we have CWM. 13th place, oh, Auntie was in the building. 14th place, Soul Star. Soul Star. Fifth, fifth, 15th place, we have Sadie ourselves. So that's it, guys, for the top fans. So we all realize and